Here is my Miss Wake Up Eye and Lip Device How to Use Quick Start Guide. You have your device, turn it around so you can see that you have the dots on the bottom of the device and the cover. Now you're ready to use it. So turn the cover so that the dot is over the circle. Now you're able to take the cap off. So to turn it on, there's an on-off button switch right here. Hold that down for about 2 seconds and it will beep. When it beeps, take your finger off the button. Right now it is in the blue light moisturizing mode. You want to take the cover off, which means dot over circle. Cover comes off. Now to use it, it's important to know that your fingers or hands need to be on this line right here. This is the intelligence sensor and this is the massage head. Both have to be in contact, so your fingers have to be in contact here and then the massage head needs to be in contact with your skin. Ready? There it goes. It's in the blue mode and it's ready to use. Now if I take my fingers off the intelligent line, watch what happens. It's working. Oh, it doesn't work. Hands, fingers must be in contact. Massage head and on intelligence sensor. If you want to switch to the red mode or a different mode, there's only two, red or blue. Go back to your on and off button, press, gentle press one time. You're at red. Ready? I'll do it again. Press. Now we're at blue. So you're all done using your device around your eyes and lips. Now we're going to put the cover back on. Here's your cover. Line up, dot over circle, turn dot over dot, and it automatically goes into the UV light cleaning mode. It'll be about 30 seconds. You can put it down, walk away, and you're done. Or if you want to stick around and hear the beep and see the light go off, you can do that too. Oh, there it goes. See? And look, turned off, all done. Ready for next time.